Well, this is Sophia's blue brindle boy. I've had a lot of people ask about him and ask to see him. So we're getting videos today, aren't we? So we're getting videos of everybody. Yeah, hi. So I'm a super cutie. So look at my colors. Okay. Are you gonna hold on? You gonna give me kisses? Are you gonna give me kisses? He's like, maybe. Hey, baby. I'll give you kisses then.